Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Main Event Entertainment is reporting an almost doubling of profit for the year ending October 31, 2017. For the period, the entertainment company made $101 million compared with $56 million the previous year. Main Event did this on revenues of $1.2 billion. Currency trading ended with the US dollar selling for $124.75. The Canadian dollar has been sold for $96.80. The pound sterling is going for $165.96, while the euro costs $147.49. Oil rose to the highest since 2015 on Tuesday, climbing above $67 a barrel as hedge funds placed a record bet that Brent crude's near 35% rally over the past 6 months will continue into the new year, with protests in Iran prompting buying. U.S. benchmark West Texas Intermediate reached $60.74, also the highest in 2.5 years. In Tuesday's trading session, the main JSE index advanced by 567 points to close at 288,949. The junior market index advanced by 2 points to close at 2,734. The winners included Caribbean Cream, Victoria Mutual Investments, Cable and Wireless, Honeybun, Main Event Entertainment, and JMMB Group. The losers included Supreme Ventures, Siboney, Lasco Manufacturing, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Express Catering, and Caribbean Producers. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.